Imagine waking up every morning to turquoise water and zero planning headaches. If you've never cruised before, these 10 2026 cruises were literally made for beginners like you. Cheap, easy, and ridiculously fun. Alright, let's jump straight into the countdown of the 10 best cruises for first-timers in 2026. These are all short to medium sailings, easy to reach home ports, and packed with value so you spend zero time stressing and maximum time relaxing. Number 10. Margaritaville at Sea Paradise, 3-night Bahamas getaway from Palm Beach or Tampa. This is the ultimate dip your toes in cruise. Super cheap fares often start around $160 per person for the whole trip. Jimmy Buffett vibes, live music, a water slide, and a quick stop at a private beach in the Bahamas. It's stress-free because the ship is small, the itinerary is simple, and you're back before you even miss your bed. Perfect if you just want to test the waters, literally. Number 9. MSC Seaside, 3-night Bahamas to Nassau and Ocean Cay from Miami. MSC's private island, Ocean Cay, is a game changer for beginners. White sand beaches, clear water, and almost no crowds compared to Nassau. The ship itself feels brand new with huge pools and Italian-style dining. Fares regularly dip under $400 total, and everything is straightforward. English-speaking crew, easy embarkation, and zero nickel and diming on the basics. First-timers rave about how relaxed they felt the entire time. Number 8. Carnival Breeze, 4-night Western Caribbean from Galveston. Drive right up, park, and you're on vacation. This ship is a floating playground. Water slides, mini golf, comedy shows, and a huge buffet that never closes. Stops at Cozumel or Progreso keep it simple and beach-focused. Carnival is famous for making first-timers feel like they've been cruising forever, and 2026 fares are still some of the lowest in the industry. Number 7. Norwegian Getaway, 4-night Bahamas from Miami with free at sea. Norwegian's free at sea package is a first-timer's best friend. Drinks, Wi-Fi, and dining credits are often included or added for cheap. The ship has a massive water slide, go-karts, and great stirrup cay, their private island. Short enough that you won't feel overwhelmed, but long enough to actually unwind. Budget-friendly and zero planning required. Number 6. Royal Caribbean Liberty of the Seas or similar short Bahamas sailing, 3-night from Port Canaveral. Rock climbing wall, flow rider surf simulator, and the famous schooner bar with live music. You sail to Nassau or perfect day at Coco Cay, Royal's private island that looks like a postcard. Everything is designed to be fun and easy. The app even tells you exactly where to go. First-timers love how exciting yet manageable it feels. Perfect for families. Number 5. Princess Cruises Sun Princess, 4-night Caribbean getaway from Fort Lauderdale. If you want a touch more relaxation, Princess delivers. Movies under the stars, beautiful piazza, and calm ports like Cozumel. It's elegant without being stuffy, and 2026 short sailings start under $500. The smaller crowds and attentive crew make it feel luxurious on a budget, perfect for couples or anyone who wants chill over chaos. Number 4. Celebrity Apex, short Caribbean or Bahamas sailing from Fort Lauderdale. Celebrity tops the affordable luxury list for 2026. The ship feels like a boutique hotel at sea. Infinity pool, amazing food, and stunning design. Yet fares are surprisingly accessible. First-timers say it feels upscale, but never intimidating, with incredible service that takes all the stress out of cruising. Number 3. Carnival Jubilee, 7-night Western Caribbean from Galveston. This is where the fun really kicks in. Newer Excel-class ship with a roller coaster on the top deck, massive water park, and stops at Celebration Key, Carnival's new private island, plus Cozumel. 7 days gives you real vacation value, but the ship is so entertaining you'll never get bored. Still one of the cheapest per-night options for a full week. Number 2, Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas or Quantum Class Short Sailings, 4 to 5 night Bahamas from Port Canaveral or Miami. These ships are basically theme parks on water. Central Park, zip line, Broadway-style shows, and perfect day at Coco Cay with the tallest water slide in North America. Everything is beginner-friendly with tons of free activities and super simple ports. Royal Caribbean has nailed the wow factor without the overwhelm. Number 1, Carnival Celebration, 7-night Eastern Caribbean from Miami to Celebration Key, the undisputed champion for first-timers in 2026. This massive, brand-new ship has the biggest roller coaster at sea, 6 swimming zones, and Carnival's famous friendly vibe. You get 2 full sea days, a private island beach day, and ports that feel exciting but never complicated. Fares are still crazy affordable, the home port is easy to reach, and thousands of first-time cruisers call this their favorite introduction to cruising. If you only pick one, make it this one. You'll be hooked on cruising forever. So there you have it, the 10 best cruises for first-timers in 2026 that are genuinely stress-free and budget-friendly. Whether you want a quick 3-night tester or a full 7-day adventure, there's something here that fits your vibe and your wallet. The best part? Every single one of these will leave you wondering why you waited so long to cruise. Which one are you most excited about? Drop your pick in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you feel more confident about booking your first cruise, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next travel deal. Thanks for sailing along with me. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, safe travels and smooth seas.